All right, well, we're having some stress. We had left, and then we'd gone about 2 or 3 miles down the road, and I realized I had forgotten my phone, so we had to turn around and come all the way back. Once I got in the house, I found the blind. Then I realized, oh my word, I forgot the blind. Have a wild morning. Now we're running quite late, and we're hunting birds right on the roost, so this will be interesting setting up and trying not to spook these things. Should be a fun morning, right? Is that? You like it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright guys, we are set up in the blind. It's 5:33 right now. And the birds are right where we expected. They're right up here, about 150 yards in front of us, roosted. So Isaiah and I got in clean. Decoys are set up. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Hopefully they'll fly down and give us a shot here right off the roost. Basically a total whiteout here. It's freezing cold. I've been on many a deer hunt that's warmer than this. It's oddly depressing to see a lot of this. It's pretty, but it's depressing because we're in the May. But we're gonna sit here a little while longer. But things aren't looking good. That bird flew down. Basically just left. I have no idea where he went. And we haven't heard a peep for about an hour and a half. I didn't bring gloves. I didn't know there'd be this much snow. But we'll sit here a while longer and see what happens, but it's not looking very good. That's what I have to say. It's 8:12. And the sun popped out. We had a bunch of snow, as you can see. Bunch of snow for May, and I was taking a little nap. I just got looking, and the gobbler fired back up on the ridge. So I called to him, and he responded. Now we just want quiet, and hopefully he'll come down here and look for us. Hopefully. That way out there, I just saw some shit running towards us. Zoom in a little bit. Do it right now.
The Tom.
Oh yeah, it's Tom.
Where's your mask on? What? Don't tell me when. Tell me when. Yeah, tell me when. I'll fucking deal. Kill him, kill him, kill him. Hurry. Yes! You got him! You missed him.
What the crap happened, dude?
You missed him.
Gun was jammed up. I thought he was toast right there. Gun jammed up.
He didn't know what to do. He took off running and came back and took off again.
What the Sam? I was so on him. I pulled the trigger and heavy shot, and then my gun jammed. I had to slide a shell out. We still got him.
Oh, he's a giant.
Let's go get him right now.
I mean, they
is.
Yeah, baby. Both tagged out. He smoked him. Oh, dude.
I hit him because he acted funky.
I think he did.
He acted like he was hit.
The giant.
Dude,
Look at that beard. This bird has been tormenting us all day.
Dude, that was... I told you if we waited, he would come. And he came.
You're right here.
What the...
We're both tagged out.
We're tagged out. Both.
This has been our best year today.
We're both tagged out. I can't believe it.
Oh.
So here's our setup. This is our blind that we set up in this morning. I actually shot my tom earlier this year up on the hill, but I figured I wanted to be down at this bottom because I just liked the way it looked more. There were turkey scratchings absolutely everywhere we set up. And I missed him at 27 yards. And you'll see in the footage, I don't know what his deal was. He kept running back and forth. And my gun got jammed. I'm fumbling with my gun, trying to get bullets in it. And right as I was able to get a bullet in it, he popped back out into this little trail open spot at like 43 yards, 42 yards. And we cranked him right there. So I got really lucky on that one, thank God, but it all worked out in the end. We're tagged out. We're done for the year, so I don't know what there is to do except get some nice video of them and get some good pictures. That's about all we can do, so. Wow. And he's a jumbo. He's my biggest bird ever, so I couldn't be more happy. Well, our poor decoy, you shot him already once this year.
Yeah, I shot him right.
And then I blasted him again today. There's a BB right there. And the BB right there.
Well, and the
that poor guy, and I cracked up in his skull here, and one here, and he got nailed, that poor guy. And you were just kneeling on him. Talk a little bit about what happened when I shot at the turkey and missed, because I have no idea. I did set the decoys out a little further than I wanted this morning. I think they were 27 yards, which is, if I would do it over again, I would have put him at 20, but he was at 27 yards, and I don't know what happened. I felt very confident with my shot. And when I pulled the trigger, it was just a no-go, I guess. I don't know what happened. Then, as you can see in the footage, in the GoPro footage, my gun jammed. So when I wanted to rack another round, there was nothing was happening. My gun, my original shell, I don't know what happened, if I fumbled it when I didn't come all the way back and then tried to reinsert another round. I have no idea what happened, but it jammed. He like ran straight into my shooting lane right as I slammed the shell in, and pretty much kind of stopped right there, and I just threw the bead on his head and pulled the trigger and blasted him at like 42 yards. So we got really lucky. But man, he's a great bird. My biggest to date. I couldn't be more happy. This year has just been insane. We've had 3 back-to-back hunts where we've killed turkeys, which is never happens to me. So I guess it just did, but it normally doesn't. It's been crazy. Tons of snow. This has been the most wild hunt. Snow like crazy. Wind and everything, but super fun. I don't know what else to say.
We're done. It's kind of sad. We're done.
We're done. No more turkey hunting for this year unless we take somebody.